Good morning, I'm Viti, and this is La Cocina de la Abuela. Today we're bringing you some spectacular stuffed zucchini rolls. They're so easy! Let's get started. We need 1 zucchini, or 2, if there are a lot of you. We slice them like this into strips about ½ centimeter thick at most, so they're nice and thin. Then we put them on a griddle for a few seconds. We simply put them on the griddle until they start to brown on one side. Then carefully flip them over so they brown on the other side too, making sure not to burn yourself. Then you put them together like this, 2 by 2, to make them thicker. And now for the filling, in my case, cooked ham, but you can use whatever you like. It works with almost anything. We put 2 slices of cooked ham there, and then we're going to make it creamy with cream cheese, about 100 grams, more or less, for 4 people. Spread it. Well, you have to be generous. Spread it all over the surface on top of the ham. There it is. You keep spreading it and do the same with the other piece too. I got it right. As soon as you have it ready, this will be super easy. You twist it, roll it up with a bit of skill, and the cheese acts as glue. So you get some perfect little rolls. I think that for 1 person, 3 of these is enough as a starter. Look how good they look.